Hello everyone. Today we are going to see few topmost general knowledge questions which are frequently asked in competitive exams. 151st question is internal hard disk is fixed but removable. The hard disk which we place in the CPU cabin, it is fixed but we can remove it whenever we want, and we can fix the new hard disk inside the CPU cabin. Next question is the main memory of computer is also called as, and the answer is primary storage. Main memory is also called as RAM. It is also called as primary memory. It is also called as main memory, or we can simply call it as memory. Whenever we call memory, it automatically refers to all these things. Next question is CD-ROM stands for, and the answer is compact disk read-only memory. It is a permanent memory. It is also called as external memory. Next question is dash has the shortest access time. Let us understand what do you mean by shortest access time. Shortest access time is nothing but whenever a data is present in a memory. Suppose pen drive. It is a memory. Inside this there is some data. Whenever we connect this pen drive to the computer and our CPU tries to access the data present inside this pen drive, how much time it is take to access the data inside this pen drive is called as the access time. And the question is which takes shortest time to access the data inside a memory, and the answer is cache memory. Cache memory is the fastest memory from where data can be accessed at faster rate. Secondary memory is a hard disk drive, and virtual memory is not a physical memory. This memory is present inside the hard disk drives. It is not a physical memory. Next question is we organize files by storing them in, and the answer is folders. Folders are also called as the directories. Inside the folder or directories we place different kinds of files, and we can also place the different folders. We can place both files and folders inside a directory or another directory. Directory is nothing but it is also called as the folders. Next question is how many different documents or applications can you have open at any one time in Windows operating system? Let us understand the question. In the mobile we can open WhatsApp, we can open Facebook, we can open Twitter, or we can play the audio songs in the background, we can use the Instagram. All these applications are open at a time, but they will be running in the background. When we are using WhatsApp, our Instagram or Facebook is not closed, but it is running in the background. So we are opening all these applications at a time. In the same way, the question is asking how many applications we can open in a laptop or a computer or in Windows operating system. So the answer is as many as your computer memory will hold. It means we can open any number of application provided that our memory stores all these applications. Suppose if you consider memory is of 1 GB, for example memory is 1 GB. I open WhatsApp in my laptop, it takes around 250 MB. Again I open my Facebook, it takes around 100 MB. So 250 plus 100 totally 350 MB. Then again I open suppose Google Chrome, I open it takes around 150 MB. Okay, totally 250 plus 100 plus 150, so 500 MB of memory is over. So again we have I have opened one audio player suppose in the background, it takes around 500 MB of data. So my entire 1 GB is filled by all these applications. If I again open one more application, suppose video player. Okay, if I open video player, okay, this video player needs 400 MB of data. I cannot open this video player because my memory is full. This is the meaning of the memory full. Next question is, what type of resource is most likely to be a shared common resource in a computer network? And the answer is printer. What the question is asking, suppose in a lab there are 10 computers, computer 1, computer 2 and so on, and we want to give print of a document from all these computers. Instead of buying the 10 printers, we will connect all these devices in a single network, and to this single network we can connect a single printer. Whenever a print is given from this computer, it will go to this network. From this network, it will go to the printer. In the same way, we can give the print from all the computers to the single printer. So this printer is a shared device which is present or which is connected into the network. Next question is, directory in a directory is called, and the answer is subdirectory. Suppose we have a directory, or it is also called as the folder. Inside this directory or folder, we are going to place another directory. That directory is called as the subdirectory or subfolder. Next question is, such a pre-made document which has coordinating font, layout and background is called as, and the answer is template. Template is nothing but it is like a defined or pre-made document. On that document everything is written. We can only modify few things. We can modify few things according to our application. Those things are called as templates. Templates means already ready-made things. We can change the things on the template according to our use. That's called as the template. And the last question of today's video is, saving is a process of. We have opened a MS Word document. Whenever we save this document, what happens? And the answer is to copy the document from memory to storage medium. Let us understand what does it mean. We have opened a MS document. Whenever we are typing on this MS document, this will be stored on RAM, or it is also called as the primary memory, or it is called as the main memory, or we call it as simply memory. It is a temporary data. It is not permanent because it is present inside the RAM memory. Whenever we save this document under some name, it will be permanently stored inside the secondary storage, which is hard disk drive. That is the meaning of this question. That is, what do you mean by saving? Saving means we are copying the document from primary memory to secondary storage. That is, which is a permanent memory. That is nothing but hard disk drive. That is saving. Even while editing a document, we have already saved a document. Okay, something is written on this document. Once we type something, suppose ABC, this ABC is temporarily saved inside the RAM. Whenever we save this document, that ABC will entirely be saved in a permanent external or internal storage device, that is hard disk drive. Thank you for watching the video.